Okay, so I'm going to be trying to solve this mirror cube blindfolded. I've already solved it non-blindfolded, and I know how it works, and it takes me about 5 minutes. So, let's see how long it takes me to do it blindfolded. I got the cube mixed, and I got my blindfold. I'm going to put on my blindfold after I study it, and then I'm going to go. Yes! I did it! Oh man, that was so fast. I think that's like my fastest time ever solving it.